In this tutorial, we'll discuss the best engine for logo creation and for text for our posters. So generally, everything is very simple. We are simply taking our prompt. As always, it's one of your favorite tutorial parts. We're selecting the best engine. So I am selecting my source image editor, NanoBanana Pro. We already tried. We'll try Flux. So I'm simply hitting make. Then we're trying ChatGPT, medium level, to be fair with the pricing. Now we'll try NanoBanana standard and simply hit make. Then we'll select Seedream and of course just simply click make. So it's already working, and now we will be able to compare it. I will move a little bit. So test engine comparisons will be here. And let's select the best engine we can imagine for this task. And let's try to understand what engine understands this prompt in the best way. The second for me will be this prompt. This is very interesting. Or maybe even this prompt. It's much more interesting because it's simple enough for different engines. I will select real estate company for this render for social media posters, text on top of the image. Okay, so I'm selecting the source, I'm selecting different engines and simply using my prompt. Okay, I'm clicking make, then I'm clicking GPT, also make, then I'm selecting NanoBanana, nothing changes here, clicking make, and I'm selecting Seedream, and then I'm of course selecting make. So now we can compare the second stage of the engines, and of course we'll try to select something more interesting as well. Flux to Pro, and we'll take some of the examples from this side. Okay. And maybe last but not least, let's try this prompt. It's the most advanced prompt we had. And also let's try with different engines. So I'll select Flux. I'm selecting source. I have my difficult prompt and I'm clicking make. Then I'm clicking ChatGPT, medium, vertical as well. Then I'm selecting NanoBanana, hit make, and then I'm selecting Seedream and simply clicking make. So now we can compare them. That will be quite interesting test. Okay, so it was this prompt. We can use it. So we have NanoBanana. Here we have NanoBanana Pro, standard NanoBanana, Flux to Pro, GPT, and Seedream. So let's compare. Again, NanoBanana for logos is very good. Our prompt was clear, easy, and understandable. NanoBanana not Pro, good as well. I also have no doubts that this maker is also good. It's like premium real estate. Maybe it's not so premium. It's like typical, but like it's modern, it's good enough. This one is quite funny, but it's like in the typical understanding of different, engines and Google researches. Yeah, that's premium, for example. And this Seedream is losing at this moment. So yeah, let's check the current prompt. Make a poster of real estate company from this render social media poster. Text on the top. This is not just real estate. So let's check the text. This is not real estate. Okay. Each engine now use text very well. It understands it fully. So Seedream, very bad. Like nothing, any changes, just the black text on the sky, that's all. In the Flux to Pro, we have similar situation, but check the GPT, check the Nano Pro. It's trying to give you some logos, it's trying to give you some dark writings from top and the bottom. It's quite typical for posters. So GPT and NanoBanana Pro is quite advanced. So my winner is NanoBanana Pro and GPT. They're good. They're good. Other engines are not so good in this case. And let's check our very, very boring description. Yeah, sorry, it's a wrong poster. I should definitely select this one. Yeah. This one will be, yeah, this one was the same. So what do we have here? Create high-end social poster. Okay. This is not just real estate. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is the most difficult prompt. And what results do we have? In this case, each result is quite good. Maybe Seedream also not my favorite because it's a little bit strange in a cutting of image. here I'm not understanding the text. Yeah, it's not the poster. It's quite strange, but this is the poster. Flux to Pro as well, not a poster too much. So NanoBanana Pro is the winner at this moment. And Seedream is quite interesting. It gives me some ideas how it can look like. And yeah, now you know what engines you can use for that. And please remember that engines are changing. Engines can appear new. Engines can be upgraded, as we had with NanoBanana. Now we have NanoBanana Pro. So yeah, just stay tuned, check our tutorials, check VizMaker, and yeah, test it on your own projects, and remember to check our updates in the VizMaker app. Thanks for your attention and hope to see your results. Feel free to tag us on social media or send us an emails. See you soon and goodbye.